Have you ever given your heart fully to someone?
Creole can be so beautiful. The only language you could say I love you in so many ways. My email, my dad, my football.
Not everyone is lucky. And sometimes good things don't come to those who wait.
You ever met someone and know from the get-go that's the person for you?
What's her story again?
She's engaged.
What?
Look, I know this is wrong, but I enjoy spending time with you.
Stop this foolishness now. I will not stand to be embarrassed.
I wear this ring every day to remind me to not ever get married.
Oh, girl.
What do you think about that?
You're free to do whatever.
Get away from me!
Right, it's not what you think.
So what is it then?
Come on, man. It's time to move on.
He's the provider and your mom relies on him, is that right?
Look, just get out of here, okay? Let's just make this work. I have lots of issues going on right now.
I'm aware of that.
He puts me on a pedestal. I am happy.
What does happy have to do with it?
All I want is you. Marry me.